Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about the Microsoft MFA Authenticator changes. This is impacting everybody who's got MFA enabled, and you should. And so we wanted to give you a quick update because it is moving from a recommendation and a slow rollout to a forced rollout. So I remember back in the day when there were day lamps. So all the cars, you were being encouraged to have their headlights on during the day for visibility. The insurance companies came out and told us all the great statistics on how it reduced accidents and things like that. It was great. But then we got used to it. It was less effective. Cars now have it and it's still good, but it's not quite the game changer it was when it first came out. People got used to it. Similarly with the MFA, people have gotten used to hitting approve on their watch, on their cell phone, when they are signing in and they have MFA enabled. So there's a high-level C-suite man of a very well-known company who was being pounded by these MFA requests and finally just got fed up and hit yes. They hacked him, they got in, it was quite the event. So Microsoft decided to take a look and see what they could do about it. So what they've done is they have added that not just hitting yes, but you enter a 2-digit code. So for me, it's on my cell phone. It comes in, it's approved the sign, and it gives me a code. I enter the code and I can continue. We've actually got screenshots on this on a blog post on our website and in our February newsletter. If you want to take a look, there's more information, and at the bottom of this video. So basically, it's just going to happen as I said. Now, what's the big deal? Well, it's an extra step, but the bigger deal is the people who are using the Apple Watches. The numbers are really small. It's not as convenient to stop and enter them in as it is to just hit yes. But quite frankly, just like daylights really did reduce accidents and really is a good safety thing. And then frankly, seatbelts, they rolled them out as, wow, well, you should do this. Then it was, we're recommending you do this. Then it was, you have to do this and we're going to enforce it. And now all the cars beep when you don't have them on. So it's this graduation of a good idea to being enforced. And what's happening now is, after rolling it out bit by bit, Microsoft is now going to enforce, make it for everyone, this 2-digit code for the MFA Authenticator. That's coming up February 27th. We ran a blog post and an email blast on it to get it in front of our clients before that date. This video is after that date. So if you haven't seen it or you don't have MFA in place, get it set up and plan on the 2-digit code. If you want to see what the screens look like, just check out our blog post, and it is right there on the bottom of the article. Thanks for your time, and have a safe rest of your week.